Here's a little tip when you're changing an engine and training on an Altima with a KA24DE. This is a 2001. I don't know how many years this applies to, but the distributor, this is the broken distributor from the junkyard engine. Check this out. This right here pops right on. Here's the crank position sensor. Oh, that's hard to do. Oh, watch this. Oh, the crank position sensor. Oh, not that one. And the distributor, even though they look totally different, they look completely different. They are completely interchangeable. Voila. There's no way to tell which one goes where, and you can tell the wiring, it looks kind of funky. The wiring goes up that way. This goes over to the O2. When I first took the engine out and put it back in, I never labeled anything because it's, you know, these modern cars, every connector is different. But these two, they look totally different, but they plug into each other. So, of course it didn't start. But every other connector I've had, it's pretty obvious where they go, so I haven't noticed any others. But, and I didn't throw a check engine light. I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't start. That's a little tip on the 2001 Nissan Altima KA24DE. I guess it's the only engine they came out with back then, the old days with the old L30. They didn't come out with multiple engine choices until later. Hope that helps somebody. Took me forever to figure that out.